In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Gmail account settings to default, of course. There's no way to automatically do this, so you have to manually do this for everything, which is annoying, but it is what it is. So we want to go to the top right hand corner and click on the settings cog. So first we want to do everything in the quick settings, and it's just going to be density and inbox type that we need to set to default. Then after that, we're going to go to see all settings, and we're going to change everything that we can here that has a default option. So you'll notice it's things like reply behavior, setting your language back to default, your country code, and so forth. Not everything has a default option because some of these things you can't really change, but you need to go through everything all the way from general, labels, inbox, all the way to themes, and set whatever has a default option back to default. And that is pretty much the only way to do it. It's quite a drag, but again, it's the only way. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video.